All right, I want to talk about some different pop-ups, what I like, why I like it. So this here happens to be the newest version of the NDS pop-up. You know, it had potential, but they went ahead and they put this bar right across it. Kind of kills it right there. That kind of kills it because leaves get caught on this. Leaves get caught in this bar. They get stuck, and you see the leaves just sticking out of them. That's how I find them. The other thing is, you see how deep that pop-up is right there? So when you slide it down into this hub, it's not in the hub all the way. So when it rains, this blows off. So you have to put self-tapping screws. You know, you got to drill through the hub here when this is inside it to keep it from popping out. And here's another one. You know, it doesn't have the bar across it. I'm loving that, but they should have went bigger. The hole's, you know, not as big as it could be. And again, same problem. It doesn't go very deep in the hub. So this one's going to have to also have self-tapping screws. Basically, you're going to, you know, put a screw in right here, go through this, and when this is up inside the fitting, it's in this hub, you go ahead and put a self-tapping screw in to keep it from blowing off. Now, both of these are going to have problems with grass growing over them. They're tiny, they're small, they're going to get lost, and once the grass grows over them, no longer will they daylight water, and you're going to end up with a flooded basement, flooded something, flooded crawl space. All right, so there's a much better option now available. It's got a really, really big insert. So when you go ahead and, so right here, when you go ahead and you put it inside, look at that, slides right up inside. It takes the whole hub. All right, so the other thing about this, look at this opening. Monster, monster, monster opening, okay? Huge. Absolutely insane, sick. There's no bar across it. Look at how big this is. I can just stick my hand right down in the elbow, believe it or not. And I have big hands, okay? I have really big hands. So this is sitting all the way down inside this hub on this elbow. I mean, it's really, really nice. I don't have to put set screws in here. I can take it on and off if I want to. I can reach down in here and get anything I want. If there's like a stick, if the stick basically can make it through this pipe, it's coming out of this pop-up with this giant, massive opening. Now this is made in the United States. This is made right here in the United States. Look at how big that opening is. It has no bar across it. I mean, it's really something. It's quite impressive. So the future of pop-ups is here. Now, if the grass tries to grow over this, and it'll try to grow over this, it's going to grow over it and grow over it and grow over it. And what do you see? This still works. This still works. The grass can grow over it, what, 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch. Oh my gosh, that's like 4 inches that it takes for the grass to grow over this before it ever compromises the discharge part of the pop-up. Truly incredible. We're finally getting places. I love it. We're changing drainage as we know it, one part at a time. Definitely the best pop-up that was ever made. All right, everybody. Until the next video.